Hi friends, it's Jody with Squiggly Doodles. Let's draw this super fun picture. Come on, let's get doodling. Hi friends, today I'm using just a red Sharpie because we're going to do a really fun, easy Valentine's picture. We are actually going to make a heart and then turn it into a cat. So let's get started. I'm going to find the middle of my paper and I'm just going to make like a V shape like that. And if you already know how to draw a heart, go ahead and draw your favorite heart. All right, and from this point, I'm going to go down and make a dot. And now I know I'm just going to curve up and come back around, and then on this side, curve up and out and come back around. And now I know that it's somewhere this high. I want it to also be this high on that side. So again, I'm just going to go up and around and come back down. Okay. And if you see like that's not a perfect straight line, you can always just go in and make it thicker like that. That is an easy fix. And also you see, I turn my paper a lot when I do art, and that is okay. Just like this. I've even seen artists paint upside down, stand above their artwork, whatever you need to do to make your picture. Okay, now that we have our basic heart shape, let's turn this into a fun cat. And if I ever go too fast, it's okay, just press pause. All right. The very first thing we're going to do actually is going to be on this side. We're going to make two triangles and they're going to almost fill up this entire curved part. So I'm going to start over here, make a triangle, and then right here. And I want them to roughly be around the same size. It's okay if it's not perfect. All right, and then here on this side, we're going to come right where we made this V shape and we're going to make a curved line like this. And then we're going to come in just a little bit. And where we came in just a little bit, we're going to go ahead and take this line and come all the way down and around. And then we're going to stop almost before we get to that point. So it's going to come up and we're just following that heart line like that. This is actually going to be our kitty cat's tail. And then from here, you're just going to make some fun stripes like this. And because it's a Valentine's picture, I will color in the stripes red, or maybe I'll do pink. Maybe I'll do pink and red. You can do anything you'd like. Just like that. And then on this line, we're actually going to make a curved shape like that. Now, right here, you're going to draw two lines going up, and one of them is going to touch this point. So just a line like this. And a line like that. And now this is where I turn my paper like that. And I'm going to make two eyes and make two circle shapes like that. And we can go ahead and make two circles inside the eye. And then right in the middle, you're going to make a little heart shape. And go ahead, and if you want, color that in. Just leave a little bit of white. And then from there, you're going to make a J. And then the other side, it's like a line and it curves like this. And then we'll draw, I like to do 3 whiskers. I draw one going up, one in the middle, one going down. And now we could even do a little detail here. All right, and I think I want to keep my picture all red and pink because it's Valentine's. So I am going to go ahead and color around my cat eyes red. I wasn't sure yet, but now I decided. But you can color them any color you want. And that is our fun heart-shaped kitty cat. But let's go ahead and color. Okay, I'm going to use a pink and red Artistro paint marker. Let's get coloring. Our fun, cute heart cat for Valentine's Day. And if you wanted to turn this into a Valentine, you could always write, "I think you're perfect," since cats like to purr. I may go ahead and color the end of my tail red, and if you wanted to add other fun details to your cat, you can. You could make polka dots, you could make more stripes. I just wouldn't do a whole lot of more detail around the face because you don't want the whiskers to get lost or disappear because of all the fun detail that you add. But I hope you had a lot of fun today, and I hope you have a happy Valentine's Day. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching today. I hope you had a lot of fun. And if you did, follow us, like us, and subscribe to our Instagram, our YouTube channel, Facebook page, and website.